And the Supreme Court siding with the Trump administration in its push to ban Americans from identifying as transgender on their passports. The Justice Department hailing it as a victory. And Alexandria Hoff has more from D.C. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Dana. In a 6-3 decision, the court found that displaying a passport holder's sex at birth no more violates equal protection to displaying a person's country of birth. It continues that in both cases, the government is merely attesting to a historical fact without subjecting anyone to differential treatment. The decision undoes a lower court's order that stopped the Trump administration from removing the X option from passports. This now also allows the requirement of listing biological sex to be enforced. Now, in her dissent, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson argues that the government was unconvincing as to why it needs to enact this policy immediately. Quote, it offers no evidence that it will suffer any harm if it is temporarily enjoined from doing so, while the plaintiffs will be subject to imminent concrete injury if the policy goes into effect. So the X option on passports was the product of the Biden administration. The White House maintains that that brought unseriousness to government documents meant to accurately identify people. Attorney General Bondi celebrated the emergency relief granted to the government, writing, in other words, there are two sexes, and our attorneys will continue fighting for that simple truth. The fight is not over, though, because this is not a final ruling. It simply allows the new passport policy to continue while the cases play out in lower courts. Dana.
All right, well, keep an eye on all of that, too. Thank you.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.